zo kami hi in ta ni ta hei atlin cha cha ti han atlin cha cha ni chumo chuanin achung zo kami hi kanu in mizorama tangin min lo hona king size hei a khu pela helam po khu pela pilo pahi po achom ve thawa bedsheet po chom ve thawa khatyang tur kha mo ka ti wangania no amasin hey kandang to wow let's open hey mizoram online na tanga ka chania an mani hi chu kanan ve ngani te hey kan pa mi ngane kan pa ni ka cha an mani hi kanan mi an ni ka sha an ya hey an phone number te am thapa thala on da do na chuan hey king size an tia lom te in kan ve ni chu hey aron kheng cha hey chu kan unbox na tak kha chu ka lo la to lawa chu hey kan thumi king size ania an lo ni lawa ka re ro dal to ka chu wangi hey ka ron video ka ron sam be me ni hi mizoram ma hianin thila tha ka kya kan pa bula hian order ang ka kya hey kan king size tu ni ta hey ni hian king size ni ta ni chu kan thumi king size ni hey king size ni ta loข้ามมีเล็กล่ายิงกินชายเสด็จแล้วนี่จุดก็ให้เราไปแล้วนะจุดส่วนนี้ให้มีเฮมิโซรามาจังยินกันมีนะมินเราคนนี้ให้กินไซส์อันติมินเราคนจูนี่ตาอันนี้จูออนไลน์นี่เราให้กันมินเราคนนี้เรามาจังยินhey I include that he long here hey king size and big junior so adang kan dule wangin hey kan chata ni chu AC re kan dule wangin hey chu king size and kalaw re chu mo hey
this is not bed sheet, this is quilt.
so hey po hi quill hey re thawanya adang alian kan duwain kan cha tu na hey kan lu ngồi vắt là wa chu wangin hei hi ka ron da hei hi tu na ko pen cha thar hei hi tharanya chuanin hei hi engting ne a om de reng a bedsheet kha a plain ania alema hian hemi a plain a bedsheet a plain wang a lei kan ni boka chuanin a bedsheet ka chu lo plain lo ta phoda ni hei chu lu company chu om ta alian thapa ngai ve a kan lu kham hi leng dong ye don lo chu shat la ania hei ni kan lu kham ni ta
Single bed.
aleng ve tang cha ni hi pa ngai ve thawa lu kham ta chuan
Single bed.
chuan hei hi double bedsheet ani lo single bed kan khum chuan a pha dei lo shim chu wangin online a cha turin king size bedsheet an hei hi bedsheet hi a design app on la te le chho ni chu a design app on la te le chho kam tan choi ni ta ma ani lo kha gon sai ni online a thil cha turin sha ve chu hei hi king size an lo ti chuan ani lo khai in lo shadon ne hai king size an lo o in shad ve tan mai karon da ni order na king size an ti bang order kanya hai kan single bed anya single bed ta han atok bed cha ani single bed ta han atok bed cha are ro na khak he nei orderมันนี่อาสาทางเวคบไม่มิโซรามาที่ละชาเตียน่าหน่อยผัดหน้าเบาเราออเดอร์ดูสูมินติตุเตค่ะน่าหน่อยจวนทุดิกใส่นะกันไหนดีนะกระใส่เลยไม่นี่ก็เฮาสักวางนี่ละว่าทูอันโพสต์เลยที่ลันโพสต์ที่ดิกตักอินโพสต์ชินเซจวนอะไรตัวจะพกกันลมมั้งอ่ะคอมเพลนอมระวังให้ที่ซิงเกิลbedsheet อันนี้ให้ double อันที่จวน double จังอันนี้ไม่ใช่ให้ Ken te cho ni chuan hei single. Chuanin arizai bo so hei atiang anga picture chu anilo chiang sa chu wangin online na in cha in lo lom lo te ani ve chuan ke ma anga lom lo te in expectation anga in thila lom lo ni chuan hei hi karon soi fia ve ni e kalome. Anything you want to say about this online?
I just want to say that this is not a king size bed. Whoever
Or a
told-
queen size also?
Yes, this is not a queen or queen. This is single bed. Queen size is smaller than the king size. Queen size will be maybe this
Yeah.
small.
Little bit bigger than this, yeah.
2 inches smaller it is. And this is clearly you can see my entire arm also looks like.
This is our review. Mizoram online review.
This is a single bed. This can't be a king size naturally. A king size is the biggest size of a bed.
Do again. Split again. Let me take a picture of this. This is the review of Mizoram online. It is not that I insult the Mizoram online. It is the fact that the truth which we got. And I'm so happy when it reached, but it was like this.
Yeah, it's a disappointment.
Yeah, it's a disappointment. So I can't praise it anymore. For a long time, I was praising Mizoram online is the best. So whenever we go to online shopping or no, a shopping mall, I used to say, no, we'll not buy here. We'll buy from Mizoram. But I can't say anything
Yeah, I
now.
was telling her, no, we'll buy from here because. But then she wanted to buy from me for the Mizoram store. This is now what she got. She trusted somebody and then they said no, it is a king size. But then king size, it's whoever told you this is king size. I think you should change. This is not a king size. It's a single bed. This is a single
Yeah,
bed.
if you are selling online, please tell the truth. And people will happy and you also will be happy. Just tell the size however it is.
Yes, bad for business.
Yeah. And bad for the customer
We wanted
also.
for this bed what our bed is. Now it's a waste of money. But
It doesn't matter a costly or cheap. Not that we are rich or we are.
now we can use this only in a single bed.
Only for
In our future bed. Right now,
our
she's,
future bed.
right now she's sleeping in a king size bed.
Because a family putting two blanket, two quilt in one bed, it's not that
Yes.
what
because
we are.
Just imagine I will sleep like this.
Yeah.
For example, I will sleep like this and I will cover myself and my baby also cover. But then here is little left. Nothing left. So where will mommy go?
So,
This is good only for single person.
yeah, see.
Even if I try to sleep and leave some space where only somebody can sleep inside.
Okay, by the way, the material is fine, but this is not a king size. Please, the dealer or whosoever, please tell it clearly that this is not a king
Just
size.
because we have two pillows doesn't make it king size.
Yeah, that's right. That the seller, I complained and she
Yes,
said if there is two pillow cover, it's a king size.
We got two pillow cover, but this is the bed sheet.
Yeah, this is the bed sheet. That is a king size. This is the king size. Even in the king size, we can still have a leftover where we could have dug thick inside, and even that side, and even that side. Okay, sorry for the miso online that we got a wrong size that which we want. We are very upset. If anyone want to order, please make sure that if you really want like me a king size, it is not a king size.
By the way, anybody wants to buy online, this single bed, if any single people are there who has a single bed, if you want to buy, contact us.
He
We
told,
might get some discount and sell it to you.
yeah, he told it like that. but it's okay. Anyway, we got what we got. I make this video because I want people to know that is the real fact what is coming over here. Okay, thank you everyone. Hope don't make mistake like me. I have ordered one more. Let's see. Hope it will come correct. Kan pa pay chuan kan fanu kum at kum hi kum thu mani huna a birthday gift turan hi da thachar cha ro min ti dei me chung kwa ri zai pakhat sin chom lo chu ngai dan ni vak lo mo chu wangin re ru ka re ru na chu song chu ni me kan du ang ani lo eng ma hi soi ve ngai lo nya soi ve na sa tu pe double ni hi double mo lo sha de me metan karon da ni e hi online order to 10 in lo she ve don nya hi mizoram tang order nya mizo rama thila tha tin ko order ve mo lian pui puya kan kal te bon mizoram ko order don na thazo ko lom te ka ti ve ma se he bum na ka ti don nge mizoram double bed le vairam double bed te king size te hi lo in ang lo nge ka she big lo in comment na in lo sei ve don nya kariru ana adang pani kala order zui chau thang nge me kariru na top ani me tin lau box si mo pakhat zok min lo le kanu min lo le kha chu dik thapa hai hi online na tanga ka voi khat cha na nya kariru na hai kan pa po in king size min ta hai kan thau silen po sira kan da mak ka kan han wa chin ve la ni real runa ani parcel don kha king size tin min lon phone na kan in phone ve thlapa king size an tia kan khum hi king size ania hey at na yen nai lo king size tu soi lo a half de tok ani hi a bed sheet khania enga ta nge ka man don po ka shalawe in boom lo sham turania online na tang kan cha ve chuan fel de win thil te kan thon ve a khongai takin mi hi boom lo sham ra u king size in ti chuan king size ron thon mei turania poisa te kha kan ui wa ni loin in boom nei ka hwa ka phone ko il thil order hi king size an ti a king size lo chin na zong hi a endo ve tan king size lo rap thla hey ka chung ten amazon a chuan cha la ala hriat thiam oma biak tur om lawa chari stop ne ta chuan mizo le mizo ania i cha a in bet thlapa o antia chu po be shi thi kan pa lam po tling lawania boy thak mai kalom lawani top mai ni he online hi kalom lawani kalom lo bur chu chong chu ni me fak na tur po ka shwak la ani atlo me mo atlo le mo a size ka dik tak hian soi se avalom om don tak em ti su ni top me single tan po te lo lu ti sui a ma boy thak an thak chin tak eng khi ka sanga bom khi ka thom no hak tok lo adu te nom chuanin ka pe phar reng cheunya kot suit te jeans te awmania in lo du tak hlau chuan hei hi arizai khania lam ani chu chuan hei hi a be sheet khania as alen lo zia hi kan pa hlam po dei lawa hei hi amani na kanin biak na miron biak tan na khania alo le ve du te nom chuan hei hi king size ani lo double size angin in lo mang don ya o hei hi karon shil du na cheu ni hi in lo ena wangin kan lo ma lo ti swal ve su king size ke ma anga king size du in ni chuan king size ani lo ania